Toilet roll presentation is one of the easiest cleaning tasks we can do. However, it's probably one of the most important. So let's clear up the debate on whether we should present the roll in the over or under position. And so whichever way you roll, there is a global standard, there is a commandment in cleaning that says thou must present thy rolls in the over position. And there's a couple of reasons why. The first reason is that the toilet roll holders, particularly in the commercial industry, they are designed in such a way that the sheet goes in the over position. And so if you do it the wrong way, you're going to get blockages, and the people that are using the product aren't going to be able to find the sheet as well. The other reason is that there's a great way of impressing guests, and it doesn't matter whether it's at home or at work. You can impress people in the washroom by using basic origami skills, and it doesn't cost you a thing, and it's very quick and easy. I'm going to show you one of the easiest origami skills, which we call the turtleneck. And so what you do is just grab yourself plenty of room here, and if you've got any damaged sheet, just remove that, give yourself a nice fresh start. And first of all, just fold over the sheet in half, give it a really nice crease, then fold it the other way, and then just roll it back up again. You can do this whilst the roll is on the holder, or you can do it like this where it's before you put it on there. And there you go. Doesn't it look like a turtle poking its head out?